Hi everyone, this is Alice. You might know me as Stamper Girl. I am here for Cat Scrappiness and I am introducing the movie night mini release. We have the cutest popcorn box shaker craft eyes and 3 adorable sprinkles to go with it. Let's get started. This is a very fun and large craft die set. It is called the Popcorn Box Shaker card, and these are all the pieces. And you are going to be able to create a shaker card or just a regular. The silhouette is 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. The trapezoid shaker inserts, it's 2 1/8 by 2 5/8. The scallop is 2 1/2 by 3 1/4. The fluted sides are 2 1/4 by 3 1/8. The ovals, the small one is 1 1/2 and 3/4, and the large by 3/4, and the large one is 1 3/4 by 1. The popcorns, they all vary in different sizes from 2 1/2 by 1/2 inch to 2 and by 3/4 of an inch. And then you have all the individual popcorns. And these are the fabulous, super cool. This is the dimensional salted popcorn. There's also a dimensional cheesy popcorn. Then there's the popcorn party sprinkle mix. And then the movie night sprinkle mix, which has the movie bags. It has the movie clipper and pretzels. So let me show you how I put these together. I'm going to show you how I do a shaker card. This is the way I do it, but you could do it anyway. So I'm actually using the little sidekick because all of them except for the silhouette die cut fit in this small little compact die cut machines. And I'm just cutting some yellow vellum for the strips of the popcorns because I want to have a base. So when I put them one on top of the other, because I'm going to add a lot of dimension to it, they actually, you can see different shades of yellow into it. I will be cutting all of the shapes here and you'll see them. I have cut all of the pieces. The silhouette, I have cut it in black. I also have cut it in the same color I cut the popcorns because when you layer the popcorns, there's going to be a gap, like a border around it in black. And I didn't want to see that black border. So that's why I cut that extra one in the same color as the popcorn. It's a very easy die cut to match up. Here I am matching up. And it doesn't matter that it's at an angle on the bottom because that it's going to be covered with the scallop box of the actual popcorn. I will glue a second base into it and put my third one on the side. I will be adding the box of the red on top of all of this. I did cut the box in red instead of white. And after I saw it, I should have cut it in white and then put the 3 pieces in red because I wanted more red than white, but that depends on what you're looking for and the aesthetic that you want. I am going to be using only 2 of the sides of the fluted pieces, so I have more red than white. And then I will start positioning my vellum popcorn and my other pieces of popcorn in the order that they go. First goes the bottom, which is the longer side straight strip of popcorn. Then on top of that is the shorter straight side of popcorn. And then the third one is the one that goes at the top. Here I am positioning the sides of the white. And this looks so good. It looks so realistic. I love it. I'm actually, since I'm using just the 2, I'm using the ones on the side because it was meant to be left, middle, and right, but the ends are a little bit more angled, so that's why I use those ones. They look a little bit more realistic. I will be adding a little bit of ink, and actually the color of the ink is caramel, which is perfect because it's just the right color of like butter in the popcorns when you go into the movie theater. And you'll see here that I already inked a little bit my background here on the base. I cut the shaker die insert from the front panel that we had created and added a piece of transparency to make it into a shaker card. And this is what you see here. I am adding some very thick foam tape, some scraps that I had, and I'm making it into a shaker card. This will keep my little beads and pieces from falling and going everywhere in the card. I do love it. I thought I should have added some of those extra popcorns into my shaker, and I didn't think of it until now that I'm recording. You'll see me that I also will add some of those foam tapes into the top part so it's not too flimsy. And I decided to go with the movie sprinkle. I just love it. Those little pretzels and the little cute, fluffy, just fat little cute little popcorn bags are the most adorable thing. I am adding the movie mix sprinkles. They have, again, the little bags of popcorn, the pretzels, and the movie clip. They're so cute. I come in with I will be adding a little bit more of the foam tape on the top so it's not flimsy. And I color them, but you can leave it like so that it's not as dark glue it together. And so it depends on what you're looking for. I love how this turned out. I will be using a acrylic marker to color the foam on the side so it's not so starky white. Like on top of those, they are adorable. And you should see some of the samples that all these extra popcorns team members have put together. And I could have added some dimensional salted popcorn. And I want you to check it out in one of the samples that I'm going to put at the end of this video. I am adding the projects from the hashtag KS Creative Crew. They have done amazing with this mini release. They are just so fabulous. So check it out.
Poppin', oh so light, in the movie night, a tasty bite, golden kernels, a buttery delight, with every crunch our taste buds unite. Butter melting, a golden stream,